Yo, what's going on, guys? Today we're gonna be doing a challenge with Crowded Garage where we go into the thrift. We only got 20 bucks. We're gonna try and create an ecosystem in a glass jar, glass bowl, whatever we find. But the rule is no buying a fish tank. So let's get right into it. Let's go to our first store, Value Village.
Alright, we got the glasses. Let's hit the check-in.
Yo, it's cold as hell out here. Let's get in the car. Hold up. Show off what you got.
We got my jar here, $10. It's kind of pricey for the budget,
But it's a little big.
It's a little bigger, but we got $10 to spare.
I got more money to spare on the lighting and the setup though. Let's get into it. Yo, what's up guys? We made it to the dollar store. If you're Canadian, you can see it. So we're here, we're gonna go look for some lights. Let's get right into that. Let's go look for some lights, man. I see the dollar store.
We'll see what the lights look like.
Like he was saying, let's go inside and see what the lights look like in the Brantford surplus.
Let's go.
I think we found them. What do you think? All right, guys, we got the light. It's lighting me up. I can see it in my reflection.
Oh,
Light reveal. Let's see it.
I got the same light.
Oh, we got the same lights.
Our plants can't grow better than one of each other's because the lights is a big thing that will make the plants grow nice. So
It's true. It's true. We're gonna set it up, I guess.
yeah.
So now I got this bag at home. You see, $6, pretty good deal. We got this light. It's got like a little bit of a clip kind of thing. I don't think I'm gonna use that. We're gonna try and design our own. But yeah, we'll see how that works out, and we'll get into designing this and figuring everything out. Let's get right into that. Okay, so for the back piece, I'm thinking that we're gonna do some sort of elevated section, maybe a cave, maybe some kind of bridge, and then on top is gonna be like something to hold up a little trough, hold some plants, add some stuff to the background. So yeah, let's get right into designing that and mocking it up on 3D. Alright, so here we got a little quick, simple design. Just a little bridge with a little trough in the top to hold some substrate to grow some plants in there. I didn't take too long on the design because I want to see how it fits and everything. And we'll get back to it and do some rework on it and 3D print it again, test fit it, do all that.
I just received word that Crowded Garage finished his tortoise in the hair, my friend. Tortoise in the hair.
Alright, so here we are just printing a little test piece off. This is not going to be a complete print, I just want to see how good it fits in here really quick. Alright, here's half the piece. It looks pretty good. It's a little too wide, but nothing that we can't fix. So I think let's get into it. Let's do another print with the updated measurements, and I'm sure it'll be good. We return to the 3D printer, and I actually made a little adjustment that I didn't tell you about. I made a curve in there because the tank is curved. Let's see how easy this comes off. Okay, so we're back with our beautiful, gorgeous 3D print, and there's a little bit of stuff on the bottom still, but that's no big deal. It's gonna sit right there in the back. We're gonna put some sand in the bottom, some stuff in the top to hold some plants, and it's gonna be awesome. Okay, so right now I designed a little bit of a square lid that I'm gonna try and put the lights inside. I'm gonna take them apart and try and make a custom lighted lid. We'll see how that turns out. It might look bad, but I'm thinking if it does look bad, we might put some sort of a window in the top if I can do that. But anyways, we're just gonna get right ahead and 3D print this. I got the dimensions on this right on. It's pretty hard to mess up this square, okay?
Alright, so here we are with the new 3D printed lid. It's still not the best, but it is a million times better. We're gonna make
It's a little annoying that there's a difference in temperatures, but we'll work on putting the lights inside of the top part of the lanyard. So we'll have like a custom light. Alright, so for this part I decided I'm going to hot glue these connections to make them waterproof. I had to cut this little cable out, and then you can see it fit in there pretty much perfectly. And here we are for the first test. And holy schmoly, you see that? This is looking mad professional. I'm super hyped. Alright, so for this part, we're going to be printing like a little bit of a kind of a trough to hold in the sand. 3D printed pieces out to start. They'll hold in the sand in a little bit of a location. A little grid pattern to hold it up. So I'm thinking we're going to do kind of a setup like this. I think it's going to look nice.
Gosh. Oh my gosh. He's growing. I don't understand. Is this thing like growing another one? Look at it.
A baby.
Yeah, look at it. Did it? I think it did.
It's attached, look.
I know that it's attached, but is it gonna separate, do you think?
I don't know, maybe. Holy.
This thing had 0 roots. You can't see anything. But hopefully that will change.
Alright, and there you have it. It's pretty easy. You can make your own setup for less than 20 bucks. This is probably like less than 2 gallons. I'm not sure. It's pretty small, but I still really like it. Looks very beautiful. Let me know what you guys think, and be sure to check out Crowded Garage. Be sure to check out his side of the challenge. I'll leave a link down below. And yeah, peace.